Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable and add Hibernate to the Start menu in Windows 11. You can add Hibernate option on the shutdown button, this one power button, by enabling hibernation, and then you can add it through control panel. So to enable the Hibernate option, first click on this one Start button and here type CMD, then right click on this one command prompt entry and select run as administrator. Press yes in case your Windows prompts. After that, you need to issue this command power cfg space slash hibernation space on. I will put this article link in this video description. You can copy and paste this one command from there. Once hibernation is enabled on your PC, click on this one start button again and then search for control panel. Click on this one control panel app entry. Ensure view by is set to large icons or small icons. I have set it large icons and then find and click on this one power options. Then click on this one link, choose what the power buttons do. Then click on this one change settings that are currently unavailable. Now you can check this option hibernate. After that, click on this one save changes button. Now close this one control panel, open a start menu, click on this one power button and you can see hibernate option is available under power button. Like this you can add hibernate option on Windows 11. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, subscribe it, and if you love this video press thumbs up. Bye bye.